everyone, I'm Masha Gao from Stoney Mazda in Calgary. I want to take a couple of minutes and present Mazda's 2024 CX-90 signature. The vehicle features a new color called Artisan Red. Interior options with Artisan Red are pure white and premium Windsor tan Napa leather. Line 6 displayed on the side indicates the vehicle is equipped with a high-output inline 6-cylinder 3.3 Skyactiv G with M hybrid boost. This engine generates 340 horsepower and a maximum torque of 369 using premium unleaded fuel. The M hybrid boost uses an electric motor to support the engine in the light-low range, where internal combustion engines are not particularly efficient, thereby improving fuel economy and environmental performance. The maximum tow weight is 5,000 pounds. The average fuel consumption is 9.5 liters per 100 kilometers. Moving to interior, the display screen is a 12.3-inch all-digital LCD touch. Additional features include power-adjustable front seat and the steering wheel combined with memory seat, heated and ventilated seats. And the second row has these features too: automatic 3-zoom climate control adjustment. The vehicle is also paired with a 360 camera to give a better feel of your surroundings. Additional wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available. The second row of seats are captain's chairs and the center armrest, which provides some storage space and cup holders. The third row is equipped with vents and USB ports for your charging needs. Seating for the signature is 6 passengers, 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, and 2 in the rear. My name is Masha Gao and I proudly work at Stoney Mazda. Our phone number is 403-705-4040. Our website address is stoneytrailmazda.com. If you got any more questions, please reach out and let us show you this amazing new Mazda.